blending of movements, because it's two movements actually, without having to think too much. So follow me if you will here. Hear me out. So the left hand, let's focus on the left hand. Keep doing what you're doing for now. Just hear me out. The left hand is going to continue its up and down the midline, waterfall. The right hand, and it's a lot easier than it may sound. The right hand is going to split off. Keep doing what you're doing, I'll show you where I'm going. The right hand splits off to a teacup. So that big teacup here. His other hand still doing this thing. Big circle. Left hand still going up and down, no stop. So you blend the waterfall with the teacup. You guys got you a little confused, huh? So watch this hand. So you know up and down center, right? The other hand. Forget about the center hand for now. Work your right hand.